When we discovered that we were up against Google in the finals for People's Choice Virtual Event of the Year, we figured our chances to win were pretty slim. But we did win, and let me show you how. Here's 5 tips for hosting an award-winning virtual event, even if you're up against a giant. I'm Daniel Moss, CEO of We Goliath, and I'm about to take you behind the scenes on how our boutique event agency beat Google Marketing Live in the Eventex 2024 final. Let's go. Tip 1. Add a cause focus to your event. If you're a nonprofit, this should be easy. If not, consider donating a portion of the profits of your event to a charity you believe in. Here, we had a head start because we produce events for established nonprofits and companies that care, and for a People's Choice Award, something that's meaningful and inspiring is naturally going to attract a lot more votes. For us, that was CodePath's Emerging Engineers Summit, the largest job fair in the country for Gen Z tech talent. Tip 2, create an engaging event by taking the sage off the stage. See, nobody likes death by PowerPoint. Attendees crave not just Q&A, but also meaningful networking. They want to learn, connect, and contribute. So we created 4 ways for them to connect with each other. One-on-one speed networking, fluid spaces to recreate the hallway experience, social lounges where you could bounce between different topics, and a dedicated session for BLI students to share their experiences. Tip 3, make sure that your event content and format match the motivations of your attendees. Here, attendees came to learn how to get a job in tech. Our client CodePath brought speakers from top-tier companies, and then we created 25 interactive booths for those companies so students could connect with the companies that they were interested in, drop a business card in one click, watch live booth demos, and chat with company representatives in real time, one-to-one or in groups. So you could say we made it easy for 2 motivated audiences to connect with each other in useful ways. Here's what our client had to say about the results.
That we were looking to achieve was to see, to hold a place of community for CodePath. So students, alumni, our companies to come together, learn from one another, connect, network. The event really provided multiple opportunities for us to do that, whether it was like the breakout sessions, so kind of that learning component, the networking, that community engagement, or just honestly the chat and how active everybody was and kind of like connecting, sharing their LinkedIns, having conversations. So I think it was really successful. Our primary goal really was to create kind of a sense of community for our students to increase their career readiness knowledge, their ability to like understand what they need to be successful in the industry. And I think we achieved those things through the event. And I think a lot of that was due to kind of your team's support and just the overall event structure and flow. We had so many people tell us it was the best virtual event they've attended, which is like music to my ears, right? For the first time we've done it. And I think a lot of that, again, it was like the platform, the support from your team, really making it a seamless event for people to come in and engage. And so I think it was really successful for us for year 1 for sure. I think we had 17,000 plus unique booth visits from our community, indicator of how popular that area was. So I think having a central opportunity where they could see information on sponsors, connect with them, share their interests, like that was a big benefit add for our community. And so it's been in conversations with our companies who participated last year. It's not like if they're going to participate this year, it's like, ooh, we got it. When do we need to sign up? And so that for us is amazing, right? To have those sponsors already interested in returning, again, indicates just like the overall success of the event.
Tip 4, the success formula for presentation style sessions. Production value plus quality content plus speaking skills equals attention. You can't just let speakers show up like it's a regular Zoom call. We had professional producers make sure that speakers sound good, look good, have reliable internet, and then beyond that, we gave them some speaking tips so that they know how to engage an audience that they can't even see. Then we added polish with animations, custom graphics, background music, and more. Because let's be honest, when you're putting on a virtual event, you're competing for people's attention with Netflix, YouTube, email, social media, all just one click away. So your event needs to look top-notch, and you need speakers to deliver real value. Pro tip, make it clear to your speakers they're here to educate, inspire, empathize, maybe even entertain, but not to go on and on about their accomplishments. Tip 5, get feedback and actually listen to it. How do you know if you've done a good job? Well, ask your attendees what they thought of your speakers, sessions, and the event overall. If certain speakers or subjects aren't so popular, you can improve them or skip them next year. Calculating your Net Promoter Score or NPS is a good way to track your overall event success. To do it, ask your attendees how likely they would be to refer your event to a friend. In the end, we created an event that thrilled everybody involved and made a difference in literally thousands of lives. We're pretty proud and excited to keep innovating on ideas that generate even more impactful events. So if you're looking for an agency that you can trust to put on highly engaging virtual or hybrid events that drive real results, give us a shout. Go to weandgoliath.com and you can apply for a free strategy session. We'll dive into your event goals and give you specific strategies that we think can take your event to the next level. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, we can't all take on giants alone, but together we're virtually unstoppable.